Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So I've discussed very important key point before purchasing the domain option. So what are the major important key points when you purchase the domain type? So domain purchase like GoDaddy or Google domains, lot of options are there. We can purchase in for Google domain also. So domain purchase website, lot of websites are there. BigRock, GoDaddy, Google domains. So any purchase domain time. The domains are total two types, basic domain and the premium domains. Basic and the premium domains. The basic domain price will be maximum 199, 99, 1000 will be given. But premium domains are, they give the cost will be based on the search value. Like they will be resale domain, everything will be here. Into the particular option name is where in the premium domain option. So first of all, I can go to the my basic domain. So I'll selecting for Digital Reddy. I selected one name is called Digital Reddy. So this name is somebody taken. They will be offering broker service will be 8,879. If anybody have to selecting Digital Reddy, this is the domain price will be here. Suppose if I'm selecting for my name, Digital Rakesh. So is all taken. Broker service fees will be here. Suppose some normal domain prices are there. Digital training. So this also will be offer will be here. So Ravikant digital. This will be here will be given in a particular option. So this all will be basic price. Leave the .com. So remain you can check. This all will be basic prices. Less than 1000 here. If any option will be showing more than 1000, that all come into the premium domains. Here they will be give the 1,66,304. But here premium domain will be three conditions are there. What are the three conditions? The three conditions is called when you purchase any name high search value domain name, they will be given option. So there are three conditions. LIC is the my name. If anyone search this domain, they have the three conditions. First is a premium price. Same premium price continue for lifetime. The first condition. So this is the premium price 23,187. Same price will be continued for lifetime in renewal time. Lifetime thing, but not for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, up to 10 years option. Up to 10 years option. Second thing condition will be first is the premium, the price will be double. Means first year will be 1 lakh, next year will be 2, third year will be 3 lakhs here. But domain purchase only for at a time will be purchased up to 10 years. So the condition will be there 1, 2, 3, 5 years and 10 years option. In this condition, suppose will be give 7,000, next will be 18, double price. This will be second condition. Sometimes the same premium price will continue up to 10 years. That is the condition. So that is the condition will be have the premium. Premium what is the first condition will be premium price continue for lifetime up to 10 years. Any domain will purchase up to 10 years. Second thing will be the price will be continue for lifetime. Or first year only for premium, next year will be simple domain price. The second condition. Third condition, the price will be double for every year. There is the third condition. First condition, premium price continue for lifetime. Lifetime nothing but only 10 years. And domain purchasing is a very important mean by domain authority. Depend on your business, selecting here. So you need name high search volume keywords that all will be showing for premium domain prices. Now it's available by 23 crores. So it will be 4 lakhs. Next day will be 9 lakhs. It will be 57. Continue lifetime for same price. Here will be 5 lakhs. Next year will be simple domain price. So these are the conditions will be given in the particular domain purchase time. So that are the all will be premium domains. So domain booking time These are the condition will be compulsory mandatory field. Now we can selecting for add to cart. In this, when add to cart time, if you are go for 1 year, 2 years, up to 10 years, see the 10 years price, 89 lakhs. So is a condition will be given by the particular option. So the reason the domain will be purchased 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 years. Any premium domain will be purchasing, a simple domain will be purchasing same. Some premium domains will be purchased only for yearly base. You can purchase will be yearly based. So guys, which name you are decide, the name will be compulsory understanding is a premium or simple domain. Don't give the price without search the name option. So high search value names, this is a premium domain. There's a three conditions. Same premium domain will be continue for lifetime. First is a premium. Second will be simple domain price like 1000, 1300 up to 2000. Third condition, every year domain price will be increase. So these are the conditions you can follow. Purchase domain anywhere like GoDaddy, Big Google domain, anywhere you can purchase. So these are the conditions are very important when you purchase domain name. Just log in it and purchase your domain based on the condition will be give the domain will be purchased for any business people. That means grow your business purpose and increase your domain authority purpose. If anybody have doubts, ask me to Digital Rakesh channel. I definitely will be support. Which domain is better from your business will be support through my channel. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.